Standard 8 subject General Science. I am Kumar sir here, and lesson number 9. Name of the lesson Disaster of Management, and topic is that exercise in this chapter, and video number 9.4. We first starts the question here. Answer the following any ओन वर्ड्स, म्हणजे खालील प्रश्नांची उत्तरे तुमच्या शब्दामध्ये लिहा. ओके. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज ए. एक्सप्लेन द रिलेशन बिटवीन कंटिन्युअस रेन अँड लँडस्लाइड गिव्ह रिझन. म्हणजे बराच काळ मोठा पाऊस आणि दरड कोसळणे यातील संबंध व कारणे स्पष्ट करा. द आन्सर of this question is that like this. Listen. Answer. Explain before the actual landslide. Many changes occur in the surrounding hilly ground. The hard rocks develop cracks and crevices. These are natural changes but due to man-made activities. The cracks are widened due to erosion. Erosion means धूप झाल्यामुळे. These cracks make the big rocks to break into small stone. त्याचं लहान दगडामध्ये रूपांतर होतं. The cracks widen further due to excessive. This is first question answer. Second question is like B. Prepare a chart showing do's and doesn't it's at the time of earthquake. म्हणजे भूकंप आपत्तीच्या प्रसंगी काय करावे आणि काय करू नये याच्या सूचनांचा तक्ता तयार करा, असा हा विचारलेला प्रश्न आहे. हिअर आन्सर इज दॅट ॲट द टाईम ऑफ अर्थक्वेक. डूज. फर्स्ट इज डूज. गो इन द ओपन ग्राउंड. सेकंड, कीप द इलेक्ट्रिकल ॲप्लिकेशन अँड कुकिंग गॅस क्लोज. Third, use of battery or torch. Fourth, stand silently at the one place. Do not panic or get scattered. Fifth, take protection under same hard covering, especially to protect the head and face. Cover the face. 6. If in vehicle, find a safe place and stop with the vehicle. Sit in the vehicle than coming out in open. Like do's. And second is don'ts. म्हणजे हे करू नका. First, don't wait in the multi-stored buildings. Do not use lift. Use stair to descend. Second, do not stand near buildings, trees or electrical wires and poles. Third, do not light candles, lanterns or matchsticks. Fourth, do not sit in uncomfortable posture for a long time. Now, question number first C. What are the specification of an earthquake proof building? म्हणजे भूकंपरोधक इमारतीची वैशिष्ट्ये कोणती, असा हा विचारलेला प्रश्न आहे. हिअर आन्सर. द अर्थक्वेक प्रूफ बिल्डिंग इज सच दॅट इवन इफ द अर्थक्वेक इज कॉज, इट शुड नॉट कॉज डॅमेज टू बिल्डिंग्स due to this earth movement. There are some codes of conduct while constructing such building. Advanced technology is used for earthquake resistant construction. Underline this sentence. Second, the foundation of earthquake proof building is separated from lower land. Then third, the walls are of less weight or they are wooden. म्हणजे भिंतीचं वजन कमी असावे आणि ते लाकडी असावे किंवा लाकडी असावे. The house constructed with special light material are prepared in earthquake prone region. Okay. Now, question number first D. Here, explain the effects of a landslide. Answer first is mostly rivers originate in the hills and mountains. When there is a landslides, the river naturally get flooded. Second point is that the path of the riverine water change due to landslide. Third, waterfalls are displaced from their original position. Fourth, new and artificial water reservoirs are created. Reservoirs are created. Fifth, the following debris, soil, and rock make the trees at the base of hillside uprooted. All the plant life is lost. Sixth, the construction does by the villager on the slope can be totally damaged due to the landslide. There are large scale damage to property and life. In few cases like Malin, the entire village was buried due to landslide and accumulated rainfall. 7. The transportation is affected as the roads and railway tracks are blocked due to debris. Okay, and now E question: is there any relation between dam and earthquake and explain? म्हणजे धरण आणि भूकंप यांचा काही संबंध आहे का, तो स्पष्ट करा. ओके, the answer is there is a abundant water store in the dam. म्हणजेच धरणामध्ये मोठ्या प्रमाणात पाण्याचा असतो. This water column puts additional weight on the ground. Initially there may not be any weight, but later due to construction of dam, suddenly the pressure of this weight is so high that this ground experiences the tension. If such area is already earthquake prone, then there can be change of earthquake. According to theory of plate tectonics, there are continuous movement in the earth's surface. If over such fragile plates the dams are constructed, then chance of earthquakes are enhanced. Okay, now question number second, give the scientific reason. First question is that it is safer to find shelter under things like a bed, table at the time of earthquake. भूकंप काळात पलंग, टेबल अशा वस्तूंच्या खाली आश्रय घेणे अधिक सुरक्षित असते आणि याचं शास्त्रीय कारण लिहायचं आहे. ओके, when earthquake take place due to the vibration in the earth's surface, there is possibility of the roof and walls of the house to fall. This collapse can cause severe head injury which can be fatal. Thus, one must take shelter below the hard supporting structure such as bed or table. This precaution can save one's life. Now, question number 2, EB. In monsoon, don't take shelter near hillside. Answer is that the excessive rainfall can cause landslides. The soil and rocks from the hillside can be pushed down along with the flow of rainwater. This debris slides to the lower heights from the hills. This explains us that taking shelter near the base of the hillside can be disastrous, as can as one can be buried in debris due to sudden landslides. Therefore, in monsoon, one should not take shelter near hillside. Now, third, don't use lift at the time of earthquake. म्हणजे भूकंपाच्या वेळी लिफ्टचा वापर करू नये. Answer: lifts or elevator run on electricity. The electricity supply can be hundreds due to earthquake. Hindered due to earthquake. There may be change of fire due to short circuit. We may get trapped in the elevator at such time. The buildings may also collapse due to earthquake. It is always better to use stair at the time of such calamities so that one can safely come out of the building. Therefore, it is said that lifts should not be used at the time of earthquake. And here stop here and question and answer. In next video